You're waiting for who? Louie? Come on, baby. Go inside. Huh? As if you're waiting for somebody. Hey? You're waiting for who? Who? Your papa and mama and ate? Huh? Hello, Louie. Don't be sad. Okay? Louie. Go inside na, baby. Louie. You've been sitting there so long. Ah, Louie. Louie. Come on. Louie. Louie, look at me. Louie. Louie dito. Hello. Here. Louie. You're almost more than an hour already sitting there. We're waiting for Mama and Papa and Ate. Never mind, Kuya Sean is here. And Mommy. Mommy Lola. Mommy Lola is here. Louie. Hello, Louie. She don't want to face the camera, oh. Slowly. Hello, Louie. Louie, you want to tell something to Mommy? Huh? Why stay there for so long? Sitting there for so long? Huh? Waiting for Ate, Mama, and Papa. You miss them? Hello, you miss your Mama and Papa? Huh? You miss them? Oh, Louie. You miss your Mama, Papa, and Ate Feliz. Never mind, it's okay. Come on. Go inside na. Okay, bye-bye. You just stay there? Huh? You want to stay there and wait for them? You want to wait for them? Oh, you want to wait for them? Hey, I want to talk to you. Why you stay here for so long? You sit there for so long, waiting for someone. Whom you're waiting? Your Mama, Papa, and Ate? Kuya is here. Never mind, don't be sad. The Kuya is here. Kuya Pasisyan is here. And Lola Mani is here also. Okay? Don't be sad, huh? So you stay there. Bye-bye. Bye-bye then. You don't want to go inside. Beautiful eyes muna. Hey, beautiful eyes muna. Beautiful eyes. You don't like.